have arrived in time.
Enough, Siraj. The opening of our play.
To be or not to be?
No. This is the winter of our discontent. No. Once upon a time. No. First thing we do, let's kill the lawyers.
Yeah!
But, no. Two households, both of us in dignity, in far Verona, where we lay our scene. From ancient race to New Hampton, where fellow blood makes fellow hands clean. By my word, if dogs will have the monster you, I will bite my thumb at them. Do you bite your thumb at us, sir? Sir, do you bite your thumb at us, sir? I do not bite my thumb at you, sir, but I bite my thumb, sir. Do you quarrel? Sir, you do, I am for you.
I serve as good a man as you.
You serve a dog.
Draw if you be men. Heartful, put up your sword.
Where are John, Benvolio?
I do but seek peace.
What? John and House of Peace? Have it, be cowards.